Welcome to my channel. In today's class, we're going to discuss remaining concepts of string manipulation function. So we will see that is first one of today's topic, string reversal. So how you going to reverse the string using built-in function and without using built-in function? What do you mean by string reversal? That is whatever the string you're going to read, for that string you're going to apply built-in function, that is instead of reverse string here, now I will write that is strrev. Strrev, that is what string reversal. Okay, it's going to perform reversal operation for whatever the string you read here. Okay, so this strrev, it is the built-in string function. It is available in string.h header file. So what's the job of string reversal? It's going to reverse the string, whatever the string you read. Okay, here you are reading through getters function. So it perform a reversal operation. It's going to print output in the manner that is reversal of the string. Then now what you're going to see in this program, you're going to read the string through getters function. You're going to perform reversal operation without using built-in function. Without using built-in function, how you going to reverse the string here? See, first thing, you're going to declare the string variable str1, that is of size 20, and you're going to read the string. Here you're going to use getters. Getters is going to read the string. Then you are calling what function? Okay, that is rev, a string. str1, you are passing whatever the string you read here through getters, you are passing to this function. This is what calling function, where this calling function is available. Okay, so control goes to here. This is what called function rev string, and character for this I am declaring the pointer variable. This is star s, it is pointing to this string. Okay, this is star s, it is pointing to this string, that is str1. Now then integer I declared. Okay, with respect to length is initialized to 0. Next thing is what? Character temp variable I declared. First and foremost duty here, what I am doing, I am going to find the length of the string, whatever the string I read. For that I am going to find length of the string. This is star, this is pointing to this string, that is star of s plus length. Previously length value is initialized to 0, then s plus 0 not equal to null character. First character of the string, it is compared, that is not equal to null character. It is comparing with the null character. If that is not equal to null character, then length is going to be incremented by 1. So this while loop, it will work until s plus length not equal to null character. Suppose if any character that is equal to null character, it come out from the while loop, then I is initialized to 0, I less than length by 2, exactly off of the length, exactly off of the length. Now temp is assigned, this is the temp variable I declared here. Temp is assigned by star of s plus I. Okay, temp is assigned by star of s plus I, starting I is equal to 0. So this one first character is assigned to temp. Then star of s plus I is assigned by star of s plus length minus 1 minus I. The last character of the string is assigned to first position. Star of s plus I is assigned to star of s plus length minus 1 minus I. Whatever the last character present in the string, it is assigned to first position. And for the last position, that is star of s plus length minus 1 minus I, is assigned by temp. Whatever the temp variable, for that temp variable, whatever the value I initialized, that is what first character of the string, that is nothing but what? Temp. That first character is copied to last character. This is I am performing the swapping operation with first character with the what last character. Okay, then I value is going to be incremented, then second character is going to be interchanged with last bit second character. Second character is going to be interchanged, that is exchanged with the what last bit second last bit next character. Okay, last bit next previous character, last bit previous character, it's going to be exchanged with the second character. Okay, this is exactly length divided by 2. Okay, then it's going to return the reversal of the string. So how it works here, okay, see this code. Okay, this is the tracing part with respect to string reversal. You assume I am reading the string Mohan through getters function. Now, how it is arranged, str1 of 0 is assigned by M, str1 of 1 is assigned by O, str1 of 2 is assigned by H, str1 of 3 is assigned by A, str1 of 4 is assigned by N. This is in the array format. I am going to read a string. First and foremost condition, I am initializing the length value to 0 because I need to calculate the length, right? Okay, this is what I am going to calculate the length. This star, it is pointing to this string what I read through getters. Star s plus 0, that is M, not equal to null character. Obviously M is not equal to null character. Length it is going to be incremented by 1. Next, while star s plus length, length that is nothing but s plus 1, O not equal to null character, length is going to be incremented by again 1. Now length value is 2. Likewise, it's going to check h is not equal to null character, e is not equal to null character, n is not equal to null character. So length value is going to be incremented by 5. Now lastly, it's going to check while star of s, this is pointing to this string, then string 1 of 5, obviously that is equal to null character, that is star s plus 5, that is pointing to string 1 of 5. Null character equal to null character, condition false. Null character not equal to null character, condition false. It come out from the while loop. Okay, then what's your duty? You're going to interchange first character with the last character. First you're going to divide exactly off of this particular length, then you're going to interchange first character with the last character, then second character with the last bit previous character. How it works? Okay, here for loop I is assigned to 0 starting 0 less than length divided by 2, 0 less than length divided by 2, that is 5 divided by 2. Here I declared I as integer, here I declared I as integer, so 5 divided by 2, what is the value? 5 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2, that is 2 point something. So that since this data type is integer, the value is only 2, there is no decimal part. So 0 less than 2 condition is true. Temp is assigned by star s plus I, that is a star of s plus I. S plus I value is what now? S plus 0. Okay, that is nothing but what? It is pointing to M. Okay, that is string 1 of 0, that is what? M. M is assigned to temp. Okay, means what? First character is assigned to temp. Then next thing, star s plus 0. Okay, for that first position I need to copy the last character now, that is n is copied on to str1 of 0, right? That's why star s plus 0, it is pointing to string 1 of 0, is assigned by star of s plus length minus 1 minus I. S plus length value is what? 5 here, minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 0, that is what? I value 4, that is star of s plus 4. What it is the star of s plus 4? String 1 of 4. String 1 of 4 is what? N. Now n is copied on to star of s plus 0. Now n is copied on to first position, that is a star of s plus 0. Next thing, for the last position I am again copied down to first character, that is what? M, that is string 1 of 4 instead of N. Okay, I want m here. That's why star of s plus length minus 1 minus I, it clearly indicates the last position. That is star of s plus 5 minus 1, 4 minus 0, that is 4. Star of s plus 4, it is pointing to string. 1 of 4 is assigned by temp. Temp value is what? M. Now this star of s of 4, that is nothing but what? Temp. Temp value is what? M here. This is how m and n are interchanged. First character with the last character. Now control goes to where? This one, I, right? I plus plus is the, since you are using for loop here, I plus plus, I values 1, 1 less than 2. Again, condition is true. Now, my job over previously, m and n are interchanged. Now, I am going to interchange O and A. Right? Now, temp is assigned to star of s plus I. Okay, s plus I value is what? 1. Okay, star of s plus 1, it is pointing to this one. O is copied down to temp. Then star of s plus 1, that is star of s plus 1 is assigned by star of s plus length minus 1 minus I. Okay, star of s plus length minus, that is 5 minus 1 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. That is star of s plus 3 is what? A here. A is copied down to this one. A is copied down to star of s plus 1, that is pointing to this one. Then first, this whatever the A is there, it copied down to this one. Then star of s plus length minus, that is 5. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 minus 1, again 3. So whatever about star of s plus 3. Okay, whatever the here previously A was there, right? Now I am going to copy O to this place. That's why star of s plus 5 minus 1 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is star of s plus 3 is assigned by temp, whatever the temp values were previously O, that is copied onto here. Now I value is going to be incremented by 2. 2 less than 2, condition false. This is how it works. Okay, so once again I will repeat for this one. I valued 1, 1 less than 2, condition is true. Temp is assigned by star of s plus I, right? Okay, star of s plus I is what? That is 1, right? Correct or not? Star of s plus 1 is what? Star of s plus 1, this is pointing to this one. This m, right? Star of s plus 1, this one is pointing to O, right? This O is copied on to this one, star of s plus 1, right? This is nothing but what? Temp. Then next thing, star of s plus 1. Okay, because I am interchanging this O with this A. This is star of s plus 1, that is I value is 1. Star of s plus 1 is assigned by star of s plus length minus 1 minus I. S plus 5 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. This is star of s plus 1 is assigned by star of s plus 3 values what? A is copied on to this position, that is star of s plus 1, it is pointing to string 1 of 1. So now string 1 of 1 becomes what? A. Then last step, that is what I need to, because for this I assigned A, now for this position I want to assign O, right? That's why star of s plus length minus 1 minus I, that is star of s plus 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. This is star of s plus 3, this is pointing to this one, string 1 of 3 is assigned by temp. Temp value is what? O. O is copied on to star of s plus 3, that is nothing but what? String of 1 of 3, that is O. Next, I value is going to be incremented by 2, 2 less than 2, condition false. This is how it works with respect to string reversal. This is the tracing part of string reversal. Now I will go to the program again. Now I will execute and I will show how it works with respect to output. This is the program exactly for that off of the length, and then this left character, okay, left off of the left, right? Okay, that one is going to be interchange, that is what? Exchange with the right off. Okay, first off it's going to be interchange with the right off, means next off characters, right? This is what exchanging takes place here through what? Temp variable. Now I will execute the code of this one string reversal. Cc space strtv dot c. First I will do compilation. Okay, now this is warning, don't worry about warning. Dot slash a dot out for execution. Enter the string. Yes, string if Mohan space Kumar. Here I use white space. Okay, white space also not a problem. It is giving correct output. RAMUK space NAHOM. This is the what output I am getting with respect to string reversal. So if any doubts, you can text me. Then please subscribe to my channel. This is what string reversal. Thank you.